Welcome to this exploration of visible light, the rainbow spectrum. Today, we'll understand the narrow band of electromagnetic radiation that human eyes can detect and perceive as the colorful world around us. Visible light is the small portion of the electromagnetic spectrum that human eyes can detect and perceive as color. Out of all the electromagnetic radiation that exists in the universe, including radio waves, microwaves, X-rays, and gamma rays, visible light is the only type we can naturally see without any special equipment. The visible spectrum spans a very narrow range of wavelengths. It begins at the shortest wavelength of 380 nanometers and extends to the longest wavelength of 700 nanometers. A nanometer is 1/1000th of a meter, which shows just how tiny these wavelengths are. This narrow band represents less than 1% of the entire electromagnetic spectrum. Within this range, different wavelengths correspond to different colors that we perceive. Red light has the longest wavelengths, ranging from 620 to 700 nanometers. Orange follows at 590 to 620 nanometers. Yellow occupies 570 to 590 nanometers. Green spans the widest range from 495 to 570 nanometers. Blue light ranges from 450 to 495 nanometers. Finally, violet has the shortest wavelengths at 380 to 450 nanometers. There are three main reasons why humans evolved to see this specific range of wavelengths. First, the sun emits most of its energy in the visible light range, making it the most abundant form of light in our environment. Second, Earth's atmosphere allows visible light to pass through easily while blocking harmful ultraviolet radiation and other dangerous wavelengths. Third, detecting this range provides an evolutionary advantage, helping us find food, identify ripe fruits, avoid danger, and navigate our environment effectively. Our ability to see visible light depends on specialized cells in our eyes called photoreceptors. There are two main types. Rods detect light intensity and enable vision in low light conditions. We have approximately 120 million rods per eye. Cones detect specific wavelengths and enable color vision. We have approximately 6 million cones per eye. While rods outnumber cones, both work together to give us our complete visual experience. Color vision is made possible by three types of cone cells, each sensitive to different wavelengths. S cones, or short wavelength cones, peak at around 420 nanometers and are most sensitive to blue light. M cones, or medium wavelength cones, peak at around 530 nanometers and detect green light. L cones, or long wavelength cones, peak at around 560 nanometers and respond to red light. These three types work together to create our full color vision. The brain combines signals from S, M, and L cones to create the full spectrum of colors we perceive. Different combinations of cone activation result in different color perceptions. For example, when yellow light enters our eyes, it activates both M and L cones simultaneously, and our brain interprets this combined signal as the color yellow. This process allows us to perceive millions of different colors, even though we only have three types of color receptors. Let's recap what we've learned. Visible light is a narrow band spanning 380 to 700 nanometers. We evolved to see this range because it matches the peak of solar radiation and passes easily through Earth's atmosphere. Three cone types, S, M, and L, enable full color vision by detecting different wavelengths. Finally, our brain combines signals from these cones to perceive millions of colors. Understanding visible light helps us appreciate how we experience the colorful world around us.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.